So here we are with the one and only Miss Anu Singh Baghel, who is the brand consultant of King Coil. Ma'am, please tell us, first of all, being a brand consultant is something out of the box because, in any firm, in anything, we have so many posts, so many roles. But brand consultant is someone who actually, makes the company or the theme worth, increasing the brand reputation. So how have you maintained King Coil's reputation so far, and what are we doing in the future as well when it comes to brand credibility?
So, as a brand consultant, I'm so happy. It's been a year with the King Coil, and the team is so amazing. We have a strong team, and we know how to generate kind of leads, and we know how of things we cover in King Coil. And this brand is growing very well, and I'm very happy that being a brand consultant, we are reaching to entering so many events, so many collaborations. A lot of events are happening, lots of shoots are happening, influencers are joining hands, a lot of hoteliers are joining hand. I think that's a bridge I maintain as a brand consultant, and I'm very happy to be the part. And it's my dream to making King Coil the top-notch international level brand, which is already exists in the industry.
Right.
But still, we have a more focus to go for the very exclusive things all around.
Definitely. So, what are the key events that you have covered till now with King Coil, especially? Out of 100 events, there are like 5 to 10 events that are worth remembering, that are actually play a major role. Even though, every event plays a major role, but some key events, please tell us more about them.
So the BPP was one of the biggest event of King Coil for the last year, and we are covering more events very soon. We are coming with award nights, we're coming with a lot of collaborations, a lot of hotel events, and a lot of things. So I think there is an endless thing, and we are still in the count at how many events we're going to cover in this year.
So, any specific event that you want to mention on camera? What's the next event coming up?
The next King Coil is coming as a co-sponsor and the biggest partner of Liaman Award Season 7, which is coming on 9th of May in the collaboration with ITC Hotels. That's ITC Welcome New Delhi Dwarka, and I think this is the major addition is coming in this year.
We wish you all the best, and we can see, even Archit sir mentioned that, we are here since the last 14 years. What is your experience at Ahar specifically?
Ahar is good. We get a lot of people to come visit and experiencing the different kind of a mattress. It's amazing, a great opportunity, and I think it's been 14 years. We are participating and looking forward many more years. Thank you.
That's amazing. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.